Ever thought about exploring Indonesia on a budget? Welcome to a paradise where affordability meets diversity in a spectacular fusion of landscapes, cultures, and cuisines. This is no ordinary travel destination. This is Indonesia. A vast archipelago of over 17,000 islands, each with its unique charm and a wealth of experiences that won't drain your wallet. Imagine hopping on a local bus to traverse through verdant rice fields, staying in a comfortable guest house tucked away in a tranquil village, or savoring a plate of nasi goreng at a bustling street food stall. Yes, all this and more is possible here. From the sun-kissed beaches of Bali to the cultural hub of Yogyakarta, the pristine wilderness of Sumatra to the vibrant city life of Jakarta, Indonesia presents a myriad of cost-effective options for the discerning budget traveler. Indonesia is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered, all without breaking the bank. So, are you ready to embark on this affordable adventure? Picture this: beautiful beaches, stunning rice terraces, and ancient temples all within your budget. Welcome to Bali. In the heart of Indonesia, Bali offers a wealth of experiences that won't break the bank. Let's talk about accommodations first. From cozy guest houses to budget-friendly hostels, Bali has a place for everyone. And the best part, many of these spots are nestled right in the heart of nature, offering you a tranquil retreat without the hefty price tag. But what about food? Well, Bali won't disappoint. The island is dotted with local markets and small eateries known as warungs. These places serve up a storm of traditional Balinese dishes that are not only delicious, but also incredibly affordable. So you can indulge in a culinary adventure without worrying about your wallet. And then there are the attractions. Bali is known for its breathtaking beaches, but did you know that many of them are free to access? That's right. You can soak in the sun, surf the waves, or simply watch the world go by without spending a dime. But the beaches aren't all. The island is also home to ancient temples and stunning rice terraces. These sites, often free or at a minimal cost, offer a glimpse into Bali's rich cultural heritage. Bali is truly a paradise for those seeking an affordable yet unforgettable experience. Next stop, Yogyakarta, a city rich in history and culture. This vibrant hub tempts travelers with its remarkable historical sites, all without breaking the bank. Dominating the landscape are the awe-inspiring temples of Borobudur and Prambanan. These UNESCO World Heritage Sites offer a fascinating peek into Indonesia's ancient past, and they're surprisingly affordable to explore. Beyond these monumental relics, Yogyakarta spills over with life and energy. The city's bustling markets are a treasure trove for budget-conscious travelers. Here, you can haggle your way to some incredible bargains, from unique handicrafts to traditional batik fabrics. And let's not forget the food. Yogyakarta is a haven for food lovers on a shoestring budget. The city's street food stalls are a gastronomic delight, serving up mouth-watering local dishes at prices that will make your wallet smile. In Yogyakarta, the past and the present collide in the most budget-friendly way. If you're a nature lover, Lombok and Sumatra are your budget-friendly playgrounds. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore, then stepping out of your affordable guest house and diving into a world of vibrant marine life. Welcome to Lombok. This island is a paradise for snorkelers and divers, with crystal-clear waters that are home to a myriad of colorful fish and stunning coral reefs. But the adventure doesn't stop at the beach. Lombok also boasts a multitude of hiking trails. From the challenging trek up Mount Rinjani, one of Indonesia's most active volcanoes, to easier routes through lush rice terraces and traditional villages, there's a trail for every fitness level. But if you're yearning for a wilder experience, Sumatra is the place to be. This island is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Venture into the heart of its tropical rainforests, where the air is filled with the chatter of exotic birds and the rustling of leaves as orangutans swing from branch to branch. It's an experience that will leave you in awe of nature's power and beauty. Sumatra also offers the opportunity to witness the grandeur of its active volcanoes. From a safe distance, of course. You can even visit Lake Toba, a massive lake nestled in the caldera of a supervolcano. It's a sight to behold and a reminder of the volatile forces that shaped this awe-inspiring landscape. Dining in Lombok and Sumatra is a feast for the senses, and it's easy on the wallet too. You can savor freshly caught seafood in Lombok or indulge in a bowl of spicy rendang in Sumatra, all while soaking in the stunning views around you. Whether you're snorkeling in Lombok's turquoise waters, hiking through its verdant landscapes, exploring Sumatra's dense rainforests, or marveling at its mighty volcanoes, you'll find that these islands offer an abundance of natural wonders that won't break the bank. In Lombok and Sumatra, Mother Nature shows off her best work, and all on a shoestring budget. For a slice of urban life, Jakarta offers a range of low-cost attractions. A bustling metropolis, Jakarta is the heart of Indonesia, teeming with skyscrapers, historical landmarks, and vibrant street life. The city is a haven for museum enthusiasts. The National Museum, also known as the Elephant Building, houses a vast collection of cultural objects showcasing the country's rich history and diverse culture. The entry fee is a mere pittance, making it a must-visit for any budget traveler. Next, immerse yourself in the city's lush green spaces. Taman Suropati, a tranquil park nestled in the heart of Jakarta, is a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. It's a free oasis of calm amidst the city's hustle and bustle. But perhaps the most enticing part of Jakarta's urban adventure is its street food scene. Every corner of the city teems with food stalls, known locally as warangs. Indulge in a plate of nasi goreng, a flavorful fried rice dish, or soto ayam, a comforting chicken soup, all for a few pennies. For those with a sweet tooth, don't miss out on martabak manis, a thick, sweet pancake filled with anything from chocolate to cheese. It's a decadent treat that won't dent your wallet. Add to this the vibrant night markets and thrift shops where you can snag a bargain, and you'll find that Jakarta is not just an urban jungle, but a paradise for budget travelers. In Jakarta, the city's energy and affordability make for an unbeatable combination. Traveling on a budget requires some savvy, but with these tips, you're all set for an affordable Indonesian adventure. First, transportation. Embrace the local modes of transport. Buses, trains, and even bicycle rickshaws known as becaks are not only economical, but also offer the chance to mingle with locals. Next up, accommodation. Opt for guest houses or hostels, which are plentiful and often provide opportunities to meet fellow travelers. Remember, a friendly negotiation can often result in a better rate, so don't be shy. Finally, food. The local warangs are your best bet. These small eateries serve up authentic Indonesian cuisine at prices that will make your wallet smile. From spicy rendang to sweet martabak, your taste buds are in for a treat. And the best part, you're supporting local businesses. With these tips, your budget will take you far in Indonesia. So there you have it, a guide to exploring Indonesia on a budget. From the beautiful beaches of Bali to the vibrant culture of Yogyakarta, Indonesia offers a wealth of experiences that won't break the bank. Lombok's pristine beaches and waterfalls beckon for those seeking tranquility, while Sumatra's rainforests and volcanoes offer thrilling adventures for nature enthusiasts. Urban explorers, fret not. Jakarta's bustling city life, filled with museums, parks, and street food scenes, offers plenty to see and do. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean compromising on experiences. Opt for local transportation, stay in guest houses or hostels, and savor meals at local warangs to save without skimping on authenticity. In conclusion, Indonesia is a treasure trove of affordable adventures, from its diverse landscapes to its vibrant culture and mouthwatering cuisine. So pack your bags, tighten your shoestrings, and get ready for the trip of a lifetime. Indonesia awaits with its affordable adventures. Are you ready to explore?